Friends, how are you? Now today, once again, we start extra questions of chapter 4, quadratic equation. So now this type also, most important, prove that the equation x square into a square plus b square plus 2x into ac plus bd plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 has no real roots. Clear this? We have to prove this equation has no real roots. So my dear students, you know very well the result, because if d greater than 0, then roots are real. If d greater than 0, then roots are real. And if d less than 0, then you can say no real roots. So one formula you must know about this, because if real roots are real, greater than 0, d must be equal to 0. If no real roots, so d must be less than 0, means d must be negative. So how will you start? So in this way, simple, from this equation you have to find out the d. So what is the equation? This is, now compare with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with standard form. So your x square coefficient is a, so therefore a is equal to a square plus b square. Now b, coefficient of x is this one. So 2, this b is equal to 2 into AC plus BD. And now what is C? Capital C. It is C square plus D square. So I think you know very well about A, B, C. Here I am taking the capital because in statement A, small b, small c are there. So I am taking the formula in capital. So A, B, C taken. Now find out the D. Discriminant. Because you know we have to find out d, and then we have to prove d less than 0, then we will write equation as no real roots. So now d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square, so what is b? So 2 into ac plus bd whole square minus 4. A is, what is a? Or you can say capital, you can take a square plus b square, understand? And then c is c square plus d square. So now it is 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, and this is ac plus bd whole square. 2 square 4 outside, and now this is ac plus bd whole square. This is minus 4 into a square plus b square into c square plus d square. So now this is 4, this is 4. So you take 4 common. And this is ac plus bd whole square minus a square plus b square into c square plus d square. So up to now it is clear. Simple. I am taking d, b square 4ac. I am putting the value of a, b, c. 2 square 4, it is outside, and this 4, complete 4 is outside, it is whole square minus product of this. So what we will do, I will simplify this. So I will simplify, you see, now 4 into a plus b whole square, a square b square plus 2ab. So ac square means a square c square plus bd square plus 2ab, 2acbd minus product of these two. So a square into something minus a square c square plus a square d square, and then b square into this. So what do you say? Plus b square into this, b square c square, and b square into this, so it is b square d square. Clear this? So a square into this. So next you see a square c square, b square d square, 2ac bd, it is minus a square c square minus a square d square minus b square c square minus b square d square. So my dear students, you see, simplify what left here. So it is ac square plus, it is ac square minus, is cancel, b square d square plus, so it is b square d square minus, then cancel. So now what is here? I am getting, it is minus a square d square minus b square c square, this is plus 2ac bd. So if I will take minus 4, minus common outside, so this is a square d square plus b square c square minus 2ac bd. Up to this clear? Just I have multiplied. Now simplify. These opposite sign cancel. Now this left minus outside. Now you, what is this? This is, you check seriously. It is a whole square of AD minus BC. Whole square. You check. If I say x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2ab minus 2ad into bc, 2acbd. So this is a whole square. So now you see square here, what I say, ad minus bc whole square is always positive, because square is always positive. When it is multiplied with minus, then minus will come. So therefore minus 4 ad minus b square is less than 0, because only square. So you can say, as this is always square is always positive, so minus, it is minus here, so minus into plus, minus is there. So what do you say? Therefore this minus 4 is minus here, so they want to say, so therefore d less than 0. So therefore equation has no real roots. Equation has no real roots. So this is saying you have to prove that this given equation has no real roots. So what I have, it was told in the earlier, I will prove d less than 0, then it will be proved. The equation has negative no real roots. Understand? So in the, this type is so much important. So one more question I am taking, and it is the most important question. 2 years before it was in board exam. So question 2, you see, solve for x. Solve for x, that is 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon a plus b in plus x. He is saying solve for x. Then same, what you will do? He is saying solve for x. So my dear students, only if you take direct LCM, left hand side, right hand side, and cross multiply, may be problem in calculation. So what you will do? One step you learn, you will take the x term one side. This is a plus a 1 upon b, 1 upon a, 1 upon b, 1 upon x here, then shift 1 upon x another side. Then take LCM and cross multiply, then this sum will be easy. Calculation will be easy. So now only first step, 1 upon x, shift that side. So now left hand side LCM, a b LCM, a cancel, b 1 ja b, here b 1 ja b 1, a into 1 a. Now this side a plus b plus x into x, this is cancel, x 1 ja x, x 1 ja x, 1 x cancel into 1, so that is a plus b plus x. So b plus a b, x minus sign change, minus a minus b minus x. So x into multiply ax plus bx plus x square. So this plus x minus x cancel. So here a plus b upon ab, and this is minus a minus b. So minus common. So this is ax plus bx plus x square. So my dear students, in next line what you will do, here a plus b upon ab, and this factor will take downside, a plus b, this is minus 1 ax plus bx plus x square. I am taking crossing chain, a plus b this side, so this a plus b cancel. So now cross multiply, so you will get the simplest form of this. What simplest form? So 1 upon ab minus 1 upon ax plus bx plus x square. Now cross multiply, so x square into one same thing, ax plus bx is equal to minus ab, so x square plus ax plus bx, shift here, plus ab is equal to 0. So now first two and last two, x into x plus a, b into x plus c. So this x plus a is common, so this is x plus b equal to 0. Now product of two terms is equal to 0. So what do you say? Either x plus a equal to 0 or x plus b equal to 0. So x is equal to minus a, x is equal to minus b. So these two are the value of x. So if any extra question is given, fraction is given, what you to take LCM and cross multiply, make the right equation, then find the root. So my dear students, in this way we can solve any extra question. One more question. The product of the digits of a two-digit positive number is 24. If 18 is added to the number, then the digits of number are interchanged. Find the number. Product of the digits of two-digit number. So my dear students, for digits, you know very well, digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. If for example, if I am taking 24 and this 4 is at ones place, unit place, and this is at tens place digit. So how will you got the number? Just it is 4 at unit place, this is at tens place. So digit at tens place multiply by 10, then it is 20, you plus 20, then you are getting 24. If unit digit given, tens digit given, how will you get the number? From lower classes you know, digit at tens place multiply by 10, 10 to ja 20, then 4, 24 is there. From lower classes we know very well. So first of all, you suppose, let unit digit is equal to x. So let tens digit, that is y. So therefore number is equal to, because you know how you get the number, if unit digit 10 digit given, so 10 digit multiply by 10, then add unit digit. So number is digit at tens place multiply by 10 plus x. So this number is 10y plus x. Understand? But here one more is saying by interchanging. So by interchanging the digits, new number is equal to, new number means if I change the digits, In place of x, I am writing y. In place of y, I am writing x. So new number will be 10x plus y. 10x plus. So these two I think clear. So first of all, you suppose unit digit x, 10 digit y. So number is 10y plus x. If I will interchange, I will reverse the digits. The new number will be 10x plus y. Now you see the question. What is given? The product of the digits of two number is 24. Now make the equation. So first product of these two digit number. So I am writing here first. Product of two digit number is 24. So it means according to question xy is equal to 24. This is the first equation. And then second equation. What is second equation? You will get product of two digits is 24. And second equation, if 18 is added to the number is this number 10y plus x. If 18 is added to this number, then digits were interchanged. It means interchange digits. The new number is 10x plus y. So this is the second equation. So again you see, if 18 is added to the given number, then their digits will interchange. Interchange means 10x plus y. First it was 10y plus x. When 18 is added, it is changed 10x plus y. Now simplify. 10y plus x minus 10x minus y plus 18 is equal to 0. 10y minus y, 9y minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. So now I think every term is divisible by 9. So you write here, divide both sides by 9. So y minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now this is first equation, xy is equal to 24. This is second equation. Understand? So now what I will do, I will solve these two equations for x and y. What I will do, so from equation 2, take the value of y. Y is equal to minus x plus 2, shift that side, minus 2. Put in equation first. First equation was xy is 20. So x into, therefore first equation becomes x into y. So y is x minus 2 and is equal to 24. So x square minus 2x is equal to 24. So x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in one variable. Understand? Now factors, 6 4s are 24 minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 6. 4 common, x minus 6. So x minus 6 outside. This is x plus 4. So product of two number is 0. So x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 6. Minus 4 is rejected because he is saying these are the positive number. So this is rejected. So x is equal to 6 is valid answer. And now therefore number is equal to, what is the number? 10y plus x. It was the given number in the starting. So first x given, this x put in equation. You can put in equation. Second, simple, here in equation second. So y is equal to y minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Y is equal to 4. So x6 y4. So therefore number 10y 10 into 4 plus 6. 40 plus 6. So 46 is the answer. So that is saying 46 is the correct answer. We can verify also the product of these two digits is 24. And then if 18 is added to the given number, then digits will interchange. You can verify also. Product 4 6 are 24. If I am adding 18 in this number, you see 8 plus 6 14. And then if I am adding 18 in this number, their digits are interchange. 46 interchange 6 4. Clear this? So you can verify the answer also. You are getting correct or not. Understand? So in this way, every type of extra question you can solve. Thank you. Have a good day.